How to change video thumbnail in Media Pool in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my media pool. If I hover over the video, I can see a preview of it, but when I move the mouse cursor away, the thumbnail of the video resets. We can set a thumbnail for this video so we can easily find it in the media pool. Slowly move mouse cursor around to see the preview of the video, and once you are happy with the frame, right-click on the video and select Set Poster Frame. Or just press Ctrl P. Now the video thumbnail or poster frame for this video is set, and if you move mouse cursor away, it will not change. To remove the poster frame, right-click on the video and select Clear Poster Frame, or just press Alt P. You also can change the poster frame of a timeline. Drag the media into timeline to create a timeline. Hover over timeline to see a frame you like, then right-click on it, and choose Set Poster Frame. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.